Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the update, Jim.
Thank you very much, Jim.
Jim, you've just come back from Toronto. Are the people in Toronto finally waking up to the resource sector?
Well, there certainly seems to be a pulse. It's been a long summer. A lot out here. It's been a hot one and smoky. Back there, it's just been long and boring. There's a lot of whining, a lot of complaining. Resource sector hasn't been performing, and then all of a sudden, there's been a few recent events that have caused some excitement. There's been this Sokoman, I guess it's a discovery in Newfoundland, a gold deal, which is good. Golden Ridge came out with a really good hole just north of us, actually, in the Golden Triangle, but it's a copper gold story, a big porphyry, and that galvanized the market a bit. And then our hole, from a few weeks back, anyways, that really got things going, because that was tremendously high grade and a continuation of where we left off from last year. So and that story is still, the market on that is still good. It's strong. We've gone from 15 cents in that area, 15, 17 cents, to now 40 to 43, and trading really well in that range, and lots of volume, couple million shares every day. So there is a pulse. It'd be nice to see the broader market start to get some credit, but there's definitely interest in gold.
Jim, are gold prices high enough for a new gold mine to be profitable?
It depends on grade. What we find, let's say the Golden Triangle, that's an area that's known for high grade. Snip, for example, incredibly profitable. Only had 1 million shares. 1 million ounces were mined there, but they were almost an ounce, 30. I think it was 28 grams a ton average. You can make a lot of money with that. Without the massive processing facility. I think it was just crushed and the con was trucked out. It was, that's a nice thing to have. I mean, Pretium, they did do everything at a higher gold price. That's a big operation at a very, in a very extreme area. But I think they're still making money. SK operated at a very high grade for many, many, many years. And that when they made that discovery, gold was certainly not in these levels. So yeah, I think it is. I think your location is going to have a lot to do with it. CapEx has obviously become critical in today's era, and all-in sustaining costs are the new name of the game.
Jim, for people new to Aben, what are you all about, and where is all this action taking place?
Well, Aben's got three projects. Our main focus is the Forest Kerr property in the Golden Triangle, which is northwestern British Columbia. Very unique situation up there, very well known for high grades, and there's been so many mines in the area, past, present, and look like future. It's hard to compare with anywhere else. One of our other projects is in Saskatchewan, and we did pick that up so that we could have something to do in the winter. It's just south of the Athabasca Basin, east of La Ronge. Good gold project. It's ready to be drilled. So there'll be news flow through the winter. This is what we're hoping for. We started last year, but had there was the native band there was having an election. There was some sensitivity, so we basically stopped what we were going to do and pulled out and let them settle their differences, and we can move on from there. They would like to see us come back now. And the Yukon project is right next to Golden Predator, so that's another high-grade situation with a lot of potential. Our crew is going up there, basically next week, and we're doing a 10-day program, mechanically building, doing trenching and that, and we think we're onto something there. That's why we called it the Lost Ace, because Three Aces is right next to us.
Jim, where is Aben traded, and how can people find out more about it?
We're traded on the TSX.V under ABN, and the OTC QB markets under ABN AF. And they can reach us at any time. Go to the website. You can reach us through the website, or you can call 1-800-567-8181.
Jim, thank you so much for giving us all that new information.
You bet. Thanks a lot.
I've been speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on August 27th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.